So I noticed you were kind of checking out your garden here, and the tomatoes in particular, which are still kind of coming along. So what is it that you like about gardening so much?
Balances me.
How do you mean?
I don't know, it's like...
I want to shift so we can see your face. There he is.
I don't know, I feel like it you know, growing something, right?
Yeah.
It's very satisfying.
Yeah.
And it's a balancing sort of like yin activity to all the yang of Kung Fu.
For people who have no idea what that means, like what's the difference between yin and yang energy, just kind of quickly, just simple.
Yang is hard,
Yeah.
yin is soft.
Yeah.
So they believe in Kung Fu that you should have both to balance your nature. So you should have, you know, you're doing the yang of Kung Fu, right? Very hard, very aggressive, but then you need to balance it out with something, you know, like something artistic or maybe gardening.
Yeah.
Is a very yin activity.
Yeah.
Cooking is a very yin activity. So, you know.
And so for you, that's kind of important, the balancing thing for like, you know, for when we're talking about like yang and like sort of emotion of anger, you know, it's like you've talked some about like how important it is for everybody, but you've had your own struggles with like being angry as a young man and so forth, and that can continue on today, you know, obviously for all of us. So,
right, so this helps soften me a little bit, so that I, you know, it's like creating something that grows, that's nutritious for you, you know, it's just like the whole thing, I just really dig it.
And you have to be kind of gentle with the plants and stuff, right?
Right, exactly.
Requires kind of a tender attention.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. And then you make delicious foods for me and all of us out of it.
Right.
It's pretty awesome.
You know, and then like late in the year now, you know, we have cardinal red tomatoes.
Oh my gosh, it's baseball season, everybody. In case you didn't know, Cardinals are doing what?
Going to the playoffs.
Yes.
Or they're in the playoffs.
They're in the playoffs now. Yeah, so in case you didn't know, Sifu Matt's a big baseball fan, but it's not so much just baseball, it's Cardinals baseball.
All the lettuce we've got, we have to use.
Yes, yeah, well, let's have big salad.
Trim all that and have a nice big salad. And we have Swiss chard over here.
Yeah.
Beets.
Oh yeah, Swiss chard.
Beets.
Yeah, we've been eating the greens all summer.
Yeah.
Also, you've talked about this somehow. You say like that if you eat too much meat, there's an idea that because when animals are slaughtered, they're scared and angry.
Yeah, well, the Buddhists believe that you take that energy in.
Yeah.
And it makes you a more angry, aggressive person or a fighter in terms of Kung Fu.
So we don't need any more of that. Eat more vegetables. Be peaceful.
So if you eat more of a vegetarian diet, then your Kung Fu is better because you're a more peaceful person. And I have seen this too. I believe it's true.
Yeah.
When you get away from eating all the stuff, not only are you healthier, you know, you get away from eating all the meat and dairy and all that garbage. You're a more compassionate, more peaceful person, and this makes your Kung Fu better.
All right. Cool. Well, we can talk more about the food thing later, but thanks. Go have a nice workout at the gym.
I'm off to the gym. Go Cardinals.
Bye.